that you have proper technique and emphasize patient comfort and safety throughout this procedure. Common challenges that we may see are that you don't have enough blood. Maybe the patient has low platelet count. Maybe they have inadequate pain control or have too much anxiety. So we educate our patients to hydrate for the 1 to 2 days prior to the procedure. We also recommend limited use of caffeine on the day of the procedure to make sure the blood draw goes well. Ultrasound can help identify those difficult draws and can help identify veins that maybe are unable to be seen on the surface. We use music therapy as part of our relaxation protocol, and occasionally we use Ativan as well. That is pretty rare, but we do use that. I use liberal application of regional anesthetic, and it's really important to allow time for it to set up. There are vibratory tools or tapping that can also help with discomfort to interrupt those afferent pain signals. So really, to make this a successful application of orthobiologics, patient comfort is paramount during the procedure.